meeting of the Communist and Workers' Parties. This movement of the international meetings has come a long way since it began the initiative of the Communist Party of Greece way back in 1998. And this has been seen the accretion of many parties from many countries and many parts joining this process, and it has set in motion a sort of a regrouping of the international communist movement. As has been our practice, we are assembled here today to discuss a specific theme, and that theme that has been chosen by the working group for this occasion is the international capitalist crisis, the workers and the people's struggles, the alternatives, and the role of the Communist and Workers' Parties. The international global capitalist crisis and recession, we have clarified in our last meeting in Sao Paulo, is not the result of any aberration in the capitalist system, like greed of few individuals or lack of regulations or regulatory mechanisms. This crisis and recession is inherent to the integral laws of capitalist development itself. It is a systemic crisis, a crisis that reflects the fundamental contradiction of capitalism, a contradiction between the social nature of production and the individual nature of capitalist appropriation. It is this fundamental contradiction that has resulted in the present crisis, and it clearly shows the historical limitations of capitalism and the necessity to overthrow the system if we need to achieve complete human liberation. But as Marxists, as all of us have known and know today, whatever be the intensity of the crisis, capitalism does not collapse automatically. Capitalism requires to be overthrown, and it is only the political alternative which is capable of overthrowing capitalism. Until that alternative becomes strong enough, capitalism will emerge from every crisis, and as Marx had taught us, many a time it emerges stronger at the expense of further intensifying exploitation on the people. And it is that political alternative, the strengthening of which is central to our discussions today, and that is the central theme on which